Aronia arbutifolia, commonly known as red chokeberry or simply chokeberry, is a deciduous shrub native to eastern North America. It typically grows to a height of 6 to 10 feet, 1.8 to 3.0 meters, and a spread of 3 to 6 feet, 0.9 to 1.8 meters. The plant is prized for its showy clusters of white to pinkish flowers that bloom in spring, and its brilliant red berries that persist into the winter. The berries are a favorite food source for many birds and other wildlife. Red chokeberry is adaptable to a range of soil types and moisture levels, but prefers moist, acidic soils. It can tolerate some shade but will produce more fruit in full sun. The plant is generally pest and disease resistant, and is relatively easy to grow and maintain. In addition to its ornamental value, red chokeberry has a number of potential health benefits. The berries are high in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. They are also rich in vitamin C and other nutrients. Red chokeberry is sometimes confused with black chokeberry, Aronia melanocarpa, which is another North American native shrub that is closely related. Black chokeberry has similar growth habits and produces similar fruit, but the berries are black instead of red.